Best smartphone gimbal on the market right now in 2018, the Moza Mini Mi. And we got also with us the Moza Powerbank. I previously carried out some tests in my previous video. For now, let's check out the features and see what you get inside the box. The best top feature that got me in purchasing this device is the wireless charging. We got an intelligent control dial to go through different modes. Inception mode, which rotates the video in 360 degrees. Now the Moza camera app works perfectly fine on the iOS, but at the moment there are glitches on the Android devices which Moza are working on it, and that is why I won't be using the mobile app in this video. The track shooting, you can track any object using the mobile app, and you can also display the phone in vertical position. Inside you will get some stickers and necessary information cards, including a really nice layout instructions. Packaging case is super smooth, good built material used to protect the gimbal. Right inside there is a microfiber cloth, a decent mini plastic tripod to hold the gimbal. This you can throw away. Micro USB charge cable, and the Moza Mini Mi gimbal itself. Smooth plastic all around, and guys, they have nailed it by having a dial and analog stick combined. Now let's quickly unbox the Moza Powerbank. This was something that got me amazed. A battery inside a tripod that is used as a power bank to charge literally anything had got me sold. Built-in 3200 mAh battery should keep your gimbal and phone alive throughout the whole day. Inside the box you will get a charging micro USB cable. This is super lightweight. I personally thought it would be heavy, but I'm happy it won't stress on my hands too much. At the top there is a mounting screw. Easy open and close. No stiffness here. Another good feature is the ball head. Now to release this, just open the clip, and now the ball head can be moved in any direction. They have added a level gauge which can come in handy sometimes. On the side we have a battery indicator, charge input and output. Screw this on and you got yourself a battery beast for your phone and smartphone gimbal. Now to mount and display the phone, you can have it either left or right. To make the phone vertical, just turn the knob at the back. Personally myself, I normally use it in horizontal, facing on the left. So I got the S9 Plus with the moment case ready to mount on. The way I insert this is by slotting the bottom end in first, lift the lever mount over the case, making sure it's fully gripped in. Now other phone cases may differ, so best to use a hard case than a slippery silicone one. To balance, all you're adjusting is the back lever and the middle to add weight from left to right. That seems perfect enough, so let's test this out. On the left is your battery indicator. In the center you have your panning analog stick, and you have your follow modes. You have your center dial for different modes. We have 4 mount threads, one at the bottom, second on the back, and also one on the top of the grip and one at the bottom. Now if your phone doesn't have wireless charging, on the side there's a phone charging port. To charge the gimbal there is a port at the bottom. To switch on, hold down on the power button. To place in standby, click once. To wake it up, click again. To turn off, hold down on the power button. To activate wireless charge, double tap on the power button. To switch it off, double tap again. Center button while in the mobile app, click once to start and stop recording. Double click to take a photo. Upper button on the dial, click once to wake up the menu in the mobile app. Double click to switch from video or photo mode. Click 3 times to get in inception mode. Point the gimbal out. Now hold down on the left or right on the analog stick to create the inception video. click 3 times again to bring it back to normal. Long press to switch from front or rear camera in the mobile app. Coming to the lower button, click once to auto zoom in app. Click twice to recenter the phone. Now this is my favorite. Click 3 times for the selfie mode. To return it, click twice. Now on the left button, click once to select an item in the mobile application. Click twice to place in pitch lock follow. As you can see, the phone is completely locked. Click 3 times to activate your lock follow mode. This will enable to lock the gimbal with a smooth pan up and down. Now if we long press it, this will enable roll follow, in which we can tilt the phone left or right. Panning is super smooth and you can adjust the speed in the mobile application. Click once on the right button for quick playback in the mobile application. Click twice for sports gear mode. Now you may be thinking, and I was asked before, can this gimbal support a lens? And the answer is yes, it does. Make sure you adjust the weight bar outwards to level the phone right. The max payload on this is 300 grams, which you can add additional accessories. I've attached a charging cable for you to see how nicely it fits in. And now I will show you some shots I've took with the picture is, my hand didn't get sweaty at all holding the gimbal on a hot day. As I mentioned before, the Android app is still in progress to fully establish, and they are working very hard to establish this on all phone models. Overall, I've been using it without the mobile application and I'm still happy. It's a great stabilizer, great gadget to have to keep you guys recording your favorite moments throughout the whole day. I will keep you updated, guys, so if you have any questions, please let me know, and I will catch you in the next review. Peace.